Hi everybody, I am Sandeep Vasant, Chairman for Marketing ACREX 2025, happening in Bangalore from 20 to 22nd February 2025. And this time on the Fireside chat session, I have the founder of Enverte Consultants, Miss Neha Vyas. Firstly, thank you so much for giving your time. Talking on Neha, she has a decade of experience designing sustainable buildings in various applications across India. So thank you so much for being part of our Fireside chat. This time, the theme on ACREX is unleashing India's potential for a responsible built environment. This theme is very close to our heart because in India, we have taken a pledge of going net zero emission by 2070. Most of the time, they say it's very far off, but believe me, we need to take action right now and right here. Right. And that's where Neha comes into picture, who has been designing a lot of green building certification across India and globally. So first question, Neha, let's say the transition when you started the company 2021 and we are in 2025, how have you seen the growth of green building certification or building in India, Neha?
That's a great question. So the time when we started the firm, it was right in COVID, the COVID time.
Okay.
And that's when we felt the need of that it's required to get into sustainability, mainly for the HVAC industry, wherein all the aspects of the fresh air, then the indoor air quality was very much important.
Yes.
And that's how we stressed upon, and we have seen the growth. It's a great growth. Like from 2021 to 2025, the whole industry has moved towards sustainability in green buildings, and mainly where the HVAC industry plays a major part in ensuring that the occupants get a great indoor and environmental quality.
That's very nice. I still remember the COVID time where people were also looking at, of course, the indoor air quality and also looking at the right HVAC system. So talking on the right HVAC system, as a sustainable or a sustainability design consultant, what are those major challenges that you face? Because you have a lot of technology, innovation, you have end customers demanding. So what is that major challenge that you're facing as a sustainable design consultant, Neha?
That's okay. So as rightly said, that's where our role comes in.
Right.
So we are talking to all the different manufacturers, the technology providers, the design teams of be it architecture team or the MEP team, and even of course the major role is the owners who would want to their projects to be green building certified and sustainable projects. So as a role of the sustainability consultant and green building consultant, we look into the aspect of seeing what are the different technologies which are applicable or suitable for a project, and then provide the right guidance to the project team that this is a particular green feature or the sustainability aspect that they should look into, be it the building envelope for efficiency, be it the lighting system, and of course the HVAC system. And the most important aspect is the fresh air provision, which is very much mandatory for any green building certification in India or across the globe. And again, as we had discussed earlier also, still the fresh air provision is something which needs a lot of awareness in terms of for the owners of the project or even the design team and the execution team or the contractor team. So that's where we ensure that during design and execution, as a green building consultant, we take care of the requirement of fresh air and of course the efficiency of the HVAC system, the refrigerant, which are also there, and see that how the we select something which is having the least global warming potential and ozone depleting potential as well.
Very nice, very nice. So my next question will be, you said me during our conversation that you are from Mumbai and now settled in Bangalore. So my next question will be in Hindi. अगर आप sustainable या sustainability building का बात करें, most of the end users और OEM manufacturer, they say sustainable building, green building, capital cost बहुत ज़्यादा रहेगा, operational cost definitely कम रहेगा, मगर capital cost will be very high, ज़्यादा रहेगा, मुझे क्यों spend करना है, मैं तो अभी low capital cost का equipment मुझे चाहिए, तो लो कैपिटल लॉस में आपका पावर कंजम्पशन ज़्यादा रहेगा, हाई कैपिटल कॉस्ट में पावर कंजम्पशन कम रहेगा, मगर कैपिटल कॉस्ट मुझे स्पेंड नहीं करना है. तो आपका थॉट्स क्या है? इज डेफिनेटली सस्टेनेबल और ग्रीन बिल्डिंग में कैपिटल कॉस्ट ज़्यादा रहेगा या कम रहेगा?
राइट. So again, this is something which every owner has that question in mind that what is going to happen. तो इसमें हम क्या करते हैं कि कोई भी ग्रीन बिल्डिंग हम ले लेते हैं, उसमें बहुत सारी चीजें हैं, ऐसे नहीं कि एक ही हाई कॉस्ट से ही आपको लेना है। ऑलमोस्ट 100 पॉइंट्स का वो चेकलिस्ट रहता है ग्रीन बिल्डिंग में, तो उसमें से जो भी इजीली पॉसिबल है डिजाइन से ही वो कर सकते हैं। जैसे कि सबसे पहले तो आ गया बिल्डिंग एनवेलप, या फिर साइट एस्पेक्ट्स आ गया कि साइट में वो बिल्डिंग का ओरिएंटेशन कैसे है, जो इजीली हम कर सकते हैं, जिससे भी काफी एफिशिएंसी बिल्डिंग में आ सकती है कि ओरिएंटेशन प्रॉपर कर लिया, बिल्डिंग का एनवेलप में मटेरियल हमने अच्छा ले लिया, तो जो विदाउट मच इंक्रीज कॉस्ट के ही ये चीजें डिजाइन में ही अगर हमने इनकॉर्पोरेट कर ली, तो उसके बाद तो बिल्डिंग एफिशिएंसी एनवेलप और उससे भी आ सकते हैं। और प्लस ऑफ कोर्स लाइटिंग एंड द HVAC टेक्नोलॉजी आज वैसे अवेलेबल है कंपेयर टू व्हाट 20 इयर्स बैक अवेलेबल थे, कि सेम प्राइस में सिर्फ आपको एक प्रॉपर गाइडेंस चाहिए ड्यूरिंग डिजाइन स्टेज एंड एग्जीक्यूशन स्टेज के ये 5 टेक्नोलॉजी में से सेम कॉस्ट में या कम कॉस्ट में भी आपको कैसे एफिशिएंसी मिल सकती है। तो वहीं पे हम सब मिलके कर रहे हैं, मैन्युफैक्चरिंग टीम, डिजाइन टीम, ग्रीन कंसल्टेंट्स, एंड मेकिंग द ओनर अवेयर ऑफ व्हाट इज पॉसिबल, क्या पॉसिबल है। तो आई थिंक कॉस्ट इज नॉट एन इशू नाउ इन टर्म्स ऑफ ग्रीन बिल्डिंग।
वेरी नाइस, वेरी नाइस। अगर आप मान लो अभी एंड कस्टमर, लेट अस से एक कस्टमर है जो बैंगलोर में एक बड़ा सा मॉल या इंडस्ट्री या फार्मा बना रहा है, अगर उसको एंड मान लो ग्रीन बिल्डिंग सर्टिफिकेशन करना है, तो व्हाट आर दो स्टेप्स, मतलब क्या स्टेप करना है? कुछ ग्रीन बिल्डिंग सर्टिफिकेशन है बॉडीज इंडिया में जो सपोर्ट करते हैं, या व्हाट आर दो स्टेप्स इफ एंड कस्टमर अगर ग्रीन बिल्डिंग सर्टिफिकेशन जाना चाहते हैं?
राइट, इन इंडिया अभी बहुत सारे ग्रीन बिल्डिंग सर्टिफिकेशन ऑप्शंस अवेलेबल है, आप रेडिली आप नेट पे भी देख सकते हैं। सो मैं सब नाम ले लेती हूँ, जैसे कि IGBC है, ग्रेहा है, लीड USGBC इज देयर, एज रेटिंग, जेम CP रेटिंग, जेम रेटिंग इज देयर. So a lot of, even the well rating is a great option. So and still the list is getting growing bigger with the different green building certification options बहुत सारे available है। तो जैसे ही आपका डिजाइन स्टेज है, दैट इज द राइट टाइम जब भी आपको एक ग्रीन बिल्डिंग कंसल्टेंट को ऑनबोर्ड करना है, सो दैट वो काम कर सके, डिजाइन टीम, ओनर टीम एंड द ग्रीन कंसल्टेंट। जो भी चेकलिस्ट है डिजाइन में प्रोसेस है, राइट फ्रॉम आर्किटेक्चर टू द लाइटिंग डिजाइन, HVAC डिजाइन, मटेरियल्स क्या यूज होने हैं बिल्डिंग में, वो सब कुछ एस्पेक्ट देख के फिर डिजाइन फ्रीज होके फिर एग्जीक्यूशन में जब वो जाता है, and then it can be properly green building certified. Of course there are steps कि पहले वो प्रोजेक्ट को रजिस्टर करना है, पहले तो कौन सा ग्रीन बिल्डिंग रेटिंग है वो सिलेक्ट करना है ओनर को, जिसमें हम गाइड करते हैं, फिर प्रोजेक्ट को रजिस्टर करवाना है वो ग्रीन बिल्डिंग रेटिंग सिस्टम के साथ, एंड देन वो फुल प्रोसेस होता है जिसमें हम डिजाइन और कंस्ट्रक्शन स्टेज में कंप्लीटली वो डिजाइन प्रोजेक्ट टीम के साथ रहते हैं कोऑर्डिनेशन में। पहले तो डिजाइन में ग्रीन को इन्वॉल्व करना है, उसके बाद एग्जीक्यूशन में चेक करना है कि वो सब हो रहा है, सब प्रूफ और वो सब कलेक्ट करना है, गाइड करना है कॉन्ट्रैक्टर टीम को भी कॉन्ट्रैक्टर एजुकेशन सेशंस के थ्रू, एंड देन ऑफ कोर्स बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन के बाद सब कुछ सबमिट होता है ग्रीन काउंसिल को, जो कि वो रिव्यू करके प्रोजेक्ट को सर्टिफिकेशन अवार्ड करते हैं।
वेरी नाइस। ये कंप्लीट प्रोसेस कितना देर लगता है? लेट अस से अभी ग्रीन फील्डिंग का प्रोजेक्ट बात करें तो लेट अस से प्रोजेक्ट अभी चालू हो रहा है, स्टार्ट हो रहा है, तो उससे ऑलमोस्ट लेट अस से 6 मंथ्स, तो ग्रीन बिल्डिंग सर्टिफिकेशन भी सेम टाइम पड़ेगा या इट विल टेक मतलब अनदर 6 या 12 मंथ्स का टाइम?
हाँ, राइट। सो अगेन इंटीरियर के अगर सिर्फ प्रोजेक्ट है तो यूजुअली वो 6 to 7 मंथ्स मैक्सिमम ले सकते हैं, पर अगर बिल्डिंग कंस्ट्रक्शन का प्रोजेक्ट है तो 2 से 5 साल भी लग सकता है, स्केल ऑफ द प्रोजेक्ट पे डिपेंड करता है, पर कंस्ट्रक्शन होने के एटलीस्ट 2-3 महीने तो लगते ही है, क्योंकि सबमिट होता है, फिर वो रिव्यू प्रोसेस वो सब, तो the timeline depends on whether it's interior project or building project.
Nice. So that brings me to the next question. Most of the industry, if you see, let us say an hotel or an hospitality or a data center or a IT or a pharma, they say, yes, I am a green building. But while we were having a discussion, you said you have done a lot of projects for a bank, for a railway station. Can you just throw some light on these case studies which kind of inspires all of our viewers?
Yes, definitely. So banks are also, doing a great role, playing a great role in driving the sustainability industry in India. I would, I can name so many banks who are at the forefront of it and getting most of their branches, offices, campuses green certified interior, green built interiors certified. So therein again we play a role in terms of from design till execution, how they are doing it. They are doing a lot of interesting innovative things for fresh air, basically in the HVAC system for the branches. So till now, till the banks were going for green building certification, what we observed is the fresh air aspect of the indoor air quality was not at all being monitored or in the design stage.
Right.
But now, since they are aware of the requirements of green building and green certification, they are putting it right in the design stage, and they are ensuring that there is a CO2 control and monitoring system.
Right.
There is a fresh air system provision in the HVAC,
Right.
and even in the branches, so that the occupants are having good, indoor environmental quality. So this is a big change which I see, wherein HVAC along with green building and the banks are playing a good role in that.
Very nice, very nice. So we kind of spoke on more of end customers and end users, building owners. But as I talk in ACREX exhibition, which is happening in Bangalore, we have close to 300 plus exhibitor. When I say exhibitor, most of them are an OEM manufacturer. So as a design consultant, you have been kind of meeting the end user. What is your message for all the equipment manufacturer to go green? Your message for all of them?
That's a great thing to do actually. Now that's the need of the hour.
Yes.
So I would really recommend that all the manufacturers support in this big mission of what we have for our nation, and all of us working together, it will be a great history to create, and we are all a part of it. So that's that's really a good thing to get into sustainability for your manufacturing processes, products and technologies, all of it. Anything required, we all are, consultants are there to support you in that. And of course, we need your support in understanding those technologies, and then recommending it to our customers.
Right. Nice, very nice. Well said. That I'm sure most of the OEMs who are actually viewing our video would definitely implement that. One last question before we let you go. We spoke on industry, pharma, end users, OEMs and all that, but I still see most of the residential. When I say residential, let's say a 1 BHK, 2 BHK apartment, they are not aware that what is sustainability, what can I do. So your message for all those, let us say a common man who has a home in Bangalore or in India, what is that one tip or two tips for them so that we all go towards a greener India? Neha.
That also is really important. And thankfully I see that nowadays the common man or the residents are getting more and more aware of this, which is a great sign for India. And now they are aware of water metering and energy metering and how they should be doing different aspects of sustainability at their homes or at the society level. So even the society associations are taking initiative in this and getting existing societies certified.
Nice.
Some 2 or 3 quick tips can be installing aerators in their water plumbing fixtures, and ensuring that they go for B star rated, at least 3, 4 or 5 star rated HVAC systems.
Yes.
Also, the fresh air provision is very much important even in residential homes.
Yes.
Because the bedrooms otherwise they're closed and
Correct.
The CO2 levels shoot up. So even fresh air provision along with HVAC is something which the residents should look into, and of course energy efficient lights.
Oh yes.
Playing a role over there.
Very nice. In fact, a lot of tips. In fact, very nice. In case if you implement that, I'm sure your energy bills are going to go low. Also, I think the energy levels at your home is also going to increase with that tip. Very nice. Thank you so very much. At ACREX, we are going to invite you. Neha is going to be our VIP guest for ACREX 2025. We look forward to meeting you, greeting you, and I'm sure all the exhibitors and the visitors are excited to meet and share whatever your knowledge you've shared, to share their knowledge and your inputs as well. Looking forward for you to be at ACREX 2025 happening in Bangalore. Thank you so very much for your time, Neha.
Thank you to us, Sandeep, so much. And of course, looking forward to meeting you all and really eagerly awaiting for this event happening next month. See you all there.
Thank you so much. Thanks, Neha. Thank you.